Woohoo! No deeper? Witness the small crustacean as he has hopes and dreams of becoming buttery deliciousness on a plate at Red Lobster.
Oh, I see you! You're right by your feet!
Witness the actress as she prepares for this scene and not calling for a stunt double.
Check him out!
Oh, that's cool!
Look at him go!
Oh, that one's a little quick mover.
You're like, I don't like this.
You got four of them.
Yeah, she had another one, but it's escaped.
No, I grabbed it. I found
Yeah, the little baby one.
Oh yeah, the baby one.
That is super cool.
Those ones I see a lot.
Here we witness crabs, too small to be sold at market, being released until they grow of such a size that a restaurant will want them.
Wow!
Look at his little legs.
Wow!
Look at that.
That is super cool.
Pretty awesome. This guy pinched really hard.
Does he?
Yeah.
The other one is more startled. This one's not.
All right, you can be free. You want to watch him
Yep.
settle away?
Yep.
All right.
The crab is not the only creature in the ocean. There are small furry mammals, such as humans, in there. Such as our photographer here, who has a hard time keeping his camera on the crab as it scuttles away and hides by this rock. Our cameraman loses it.
But he's like, what are you doing? This guy, he's probably going to need to find a new shell pretty soon because he's getting pretty big for this shell.
So what we are witnessing here is crab harvesting for the market in action. The crab harvester catches the crab and is looking at it and is determining if it is the right size. Then he shows it to a supervisor who says, no, that is a little small for Red Lobster. You must put it back so that it may grow larger. Yeah. Oh, there goes one. Can you pick that one?
He is a big that one. That one's Arnold.
He's Arnold of the seagulls. From the BBC Nature Network, I, David Attenborough, would like to thank you for watching this nature production at Northampton Beach.
Take the bag.
I'm gonna